Hey Robert, my name is Brandon with Lasco Ford. I'm the used car internet director at the store. Just wanted to give you a quick virtual walk around of this Colorado that you had inquired on. Nice work truck, great condition, low miles. It's got a Vortec motor in it, 2900. Very clean motor, body's in great shape. Got some fog lamps down here. You got some steel wheels, good tire depth on these. Body's in great condition. It's a Lasco certified vehicle. Comes with a 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty. Comes with a powertrain warranty that is going to be 100,000 miles or 6 years from the original vehicle sale date. Roadside assistance, tow assistance, rental car reimbursement. It is a manual transmission. Manual windows, manual locks with the extended cab. Seats fold straight back. Got a Class 3 trailer hitch. It is a work truck. Serves its purpose. Manual seat. Cruise control. As you can see, I hope, 21,611 miles. It is OnStar capable. Very clean vehicle. Look forward to meeting with you, Robert. Let me know what you think. 810-593-1256. Thanks a lot, Robert.